Hey spin enthusiasts. Hopefully you guys have been anticipating this one for a little while now. This is my choreography to the song Meow by Tadra Call featuring Ray Alitre. If you don't know the story, you can go to Instagram and check it out on Ray Alitre's profile. Since then, I've been working really hard to put together this choreography for the song Meow that Ray Alitre did with Tadra Call. I will warn all of you out there who normally learns a lot of stuff, especially my younger spin enthusiasts, this is not my normal fare. So hopefully I'll be able to leave it up. YouTube may put a 18 and up restriction on it, I don't know. If you want to learn how to do this choreography, all you have to do is go become a patron on our Patreon account. The link is in the description below. Patrons get a new choreography every month starting this month, and those choreography instructional videos start at just $5 a month. So as long as you sign up for at least the $5 level, you will get your choreographies and you can learn my choreography to your heart's content.
Pussy, 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 purr, pussy, purr, pussy, fur, pussy, scratch, 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 pussy, meow. Here, pussy, 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 purr, pussy, fur, pussy, scratch, 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 pussy, meow. Here, pussy, 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 purr, pussy, pussy, fur, pussy, scratch, 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 pussy, meow. Here, pussy, 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 purr, pussy, fur, pussy, scratch, 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 pussy, meow.
When you meet Carol Baskin, you'll be asking, what's the last thing a rich hubby saw?
Tell 'em right.
Was it a pretty little chica from Costa Rica? Or was it just a tiger claw? She'll take the money and stay, his mama not gonna get paid. She thought that she'd get away, but then they opened the case. Damn, lock her up, cause she gon' bite that bitch Carol Baskin, not tonight. Love a girl licking on a tiger bone. It's your quarantine queen, so stay at home. Kitty needs a rescue, Peter be damned. Don't misgender Saf, baby daddy is a trans man. Guess Joe's done with the guns, singing in a cage now, that should be fun. Carol is basking under the sun. She got 99 tigers fed her husband to one.
What the fuck am I?
So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my new choreography to Meow by Tadra Call and Ray Alitre. Make sure that you are subscribed. If you see the subscribe button and it's red and it says subscribe, you are not actually a subscriber, even if you've been watching my videos for years and years and years. So please hit that button and make sure it is gray and says the word subscribed on it. We will be doing a giveaway whenever we reach 20,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. And as always, make sure that you like this video and share it with all your friends. Color Guard is way more fun when you can do it on a team.